Diba? Ang galing. Magaling siya. Hello Mimi, this is Suwa. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to have unboxing ng isang product. For our AirTags naman to. So, nabili ko siya sa SM City, Iloilo. So, we have here our Pigeon AirTags AirFit. This is for our wallet. Ito yung wallet natin. This is suit for our wallet and its own Pigeon AirTag card type case. AirFit Space Gray. It costs 950 pesos. So, yeah. So we have the keychain card type case, and then this is my AirTags sa wallet ko, which is nilalagay natin. Wow. Put our AirTags, and then we put our keychain. Ang ganda guys kasi Pigeon talaga yung pangalan nito. Oh, yun. Diba? Ang galing. Magaling siya. So, another one, this AirTag keychain called Pigeon AirTag Case Core Armor Matte Black. Dalawa siya and it costs 1,700 pesos. Pero pag bumili kayo ng isa, 1,950 pesos. Pag dalawa yung kunin mo, you have the discount. Meron siyang parang ano nga to ulit? Pampabukas ng Coke. ng soft drinks. So, let's open this. Then we have the keychain. Dalawa kasi siya, guys. And then this one. This is for Mirai. We have the keychain. And then we have this one. Maganda kasi siya. It's very classy. Then, rubberized siya, guys. So, I assume, ilalagay mo lang siya talaga dito. Kasi rubberized naman siya. So, ilalagay mo lang siya dito. Ayan. And then, you put it here. And then, after this one, we're going to put this for our key. Dito siya ilalagay. Ay ko po. Ayan. All good. And thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter account. And see you in my next vlog. I just made amigos. Bye!
Got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. That look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.